Oh, finally off work. I think I'm going to go for a nice little walk in the woods. What's up, dude? Little man. Sweet. I'll take you home. Oh, that is like... You're not a little guy. Wow. Yeah, I'm taking that one home too. Never fails. Every time I go walking in the woods, I'm telling you, I couldn't make this up if I wanted to. 'Tis the season for foraging. Yeah, I think I definitely need a cup of coffee after that. It's a little ridiculous. Oh, God, I even have mushrooms in the fridge. Jeez. I honestly thought I found enough. I got off work today, decided to take another walk, and I think I have a problem. What? I told you I was going to need a cup of coffee for that. I mean, hey, could be worse. I could have to go to rehab, you know. I could see it now. Yeah, I'm in here because I'm addicted to shrooms, dude. Oh, well.